I'm Logan with Chrome Americas, and today we're going to walk through the options and features of the BCU 370, one of Kromschröder's burner control units for single burner applications. So let's go take a closer look. The BCU 370 is a standalone burner control unit suitable for intermittent or continuous operation with or without a pilot. This unit is typically mounted near the burner on unistrut or a mounting plate. Its main functions include managing ignition, monitoring the flame, starting the combustion fan, controlling a butterfly valve with an IC20 actuator, and managing the burner's startup sequence. It also supports timed pre- and post-purge. Standard safety functions include monitoring high gas pressure, low gas pressure, and airflow pressure switches. There are a few extra options available to expand the standard functionality. The D3 option enables a tightness test of your double blocking solenoids via a pressure switch. The I1 or I3 options equip the BCU with an integrated ignition transformer. If you need the BCU to communicate with a PLC, there is one field bus protocol available, Profibus DP. The B1 Profibus option must be ordered with the unit because it cannot be added later, unlike the BCU 4 and 5 series. Now let's take a look at the programming software used with the BCU 370, which is BCSoft version 3. Here we are connected to BCSoft version 3. The latest version of the version 3 is available on our website right here. We also have a video for getting connected on our YouTube channel to both versions of BCSoft, and that is right there. So with that out of the way, let's go over to our process values tab. That's our first tab here. This shows you all of your input and output signals. If they are live, they will go green. You can see your flame signal when your burner is lit. You can see the status of the display on the BCU itself, and it will read out the stage or error codes here. Moving on to the burner page. All of these boxes you can fill in with different values, some toggles here to change how the BCU is going to act, different times for your manual mode operation if you want to limit that to 5 minutes or not. If any of these are blank, you will need to click the read button, and that is just good practice before you write anything to hit that read button, and that will make sure you are pulling the current program from your BCU that you are communicating with. So moving on to the air control tab, monitoring as well. We've got some toggles here for monitoring air switches, gas high and low switches, time for running up the fan. Once that kicks on, we have purge timing here. That is pretty much it for this tab. So going on to statistics, it's pulling everything right now. Give it just a moment. So here we have fault counters, monitoring air control. We can sum some different values here. So more errors, warning counters, other counters, how many times it's been powered on, and so on. So that is pretty much all there is here in the statistics. User statistics are the same thing, except you are able to reset these. And then on the final tab, error history, it will, if you hit read, it'll show the last 10 error codes and what operating hour that those occurred at. So that is a quick run through of what you will see in BCSoft version 3 when you're connected to your BCU 370. The BCU 370 is a flexible solution for single burner control with reliable ignition, flame monitoring, and safety functions. For questions about the BCU 370 or any other Kromschröder product, feel free to reach out to support@chromeamericas.com. Thanks for watching.